Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, staying abroad is like pretty boring, and when you don't have any other thing to do apart from school work, I feel like games kind of help to keep you sane. Little backstory: I got back from church and I decided that, you know what, between church, work and school, I'm mostly home, so I want to make my home like a home, like comfortable, you know, stuff like that. So I decided to buy a PS5. So I went to Micromania at La Défense. I got the PS5 just like that. So I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's kind of an amateur unboxing, but I hope it helps. I hope you enjoy it. So this is freaking heavy. Well, just so you guys can see that this is a real thing. Can you see it? Can you see it? Baby girl is gonna be playing a PS5 like very soon. You can see I couldn't even wait till tomorrow morning to unbox this thing with you guys. Oh my god. This is heavy. Okay, I think I need to do this. Okay, no idea what I'm doing. It's my first PlayStation unboxing, so pardon me. These are the manuals. This is the power cord. This is the cord to put the PS5 on. Oh my god, can you see this? This is the controller. I can't wait to play some adventure games with this. This is nice. I think I want to put this on the table. Yes, I think this makes more sense. Oh my god. Okay, I think there are things here. Okay, yeah, this is the controller charger. This is for charging the controller. Okay. Oh, we've got a HDMI cord. I was actually thinking I'll have to buy a HDMI cord, but it came with it. No idea what this thing is, because I'm an amateur and I have no idea. Guys, can you see this? Oh, I thought there would be like a name, maybe like PS5 Slim or something, but I don't know. Let's see. 825 gig. That's good. Oh, this is for power. Oh, nice. Can you see that? Oh wow, it's in French. So basically, I guess you're telling us to plug the console to the. Yeah. That's how they do. Okay. Thank you for speaking English. Okay. So if you plug it in and press this. Ah, it's so exciting!
Press the cross button to select and the circle button to go back.
Continue with the screen reader turned on.
Continue.
No.
Button.
Great! So I had to like check YouTube to figure out how to do this stuff, okay? So you're supposed to fix it, screw it as tight as possible. Then you place it like this. So I realized that this is the right way to place it, not the other way you just saw. So this is the best way to place it, and yeah, finally have a PS5 that I can play with. Okay, and if you enjoyed this unboxing, let me know. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye, my loves. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. So see you. Oh my god, what am I saying? So this is the best way to place it, and yeah, great. Good night.